Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to share your Amazon Prime membership with family. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your account and log in into your account on Amazon. Then you want to hover over the Hello account on the top right side right here. Once you hover over it, you should go and click on your account on the right side on the top right here. Then what you should do after you see this page, you want to scroll down till you find here this option, manage your Amazon family, in the shopping programs section. Once you get to this page, you should click on plus icon, add new, to add a new member. Then you want to go and choose whether it's adult or a child. So click on any one of them. Then you want to go and click on link. Then you want to add here their name and their email. Then click on continue. And after that, go and click on agree and continue. And then in step 3, you will have to check or uncheck these boxes whether you want to give them or give him the access or not. Then click on send invitation, and it will show you here this message: successfully your invitation has been sent, and this person has 14 days to accept your invitation. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.